live from France, right here, Sugar Mountain Boiler Room. Follow more.
This is a manifesto of my love for free humanity, of my affection for these sparks that are born from our frictions. And when we are open to the other, we can highlight friendship and sharing, which only forges us even more. Thus, we believe in ourselves, but in the other too, and we don't accept any compromise. We yearn for peace that we deserve, and we shall fight for these knockdown walls, for the rare oasis of love where we feel free and safe. We will be who we choose to be, where we shall be loved, 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 loved,
Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I know it's a bit dark in here. The guys have our cable for our lights. They're busy shooting some content, so we're gonna be in the dark here for a while. I know Jevon's shining bright like a diamond there, but your boy looks like he's in a cave here. So just bear with us. When they're done, I'll get some light over here. But Jeff, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing great, man. Finally breaking some boundaries.
Hey,
how are you?
To see it. We're doing good, bro. Doing good.
Lovely.
But yeah, guys, I think let's get into this. Let's just make sure we got everything ready. Just get my terminal open. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright. But in the meantime, Slashy, Alex, Peter, Chaos, Fabio, welcome guys. Always good seeing you guys, yeah. There we go. Okay, so terminal is up. There we go. CAD news went off. Well, let's just jump right into that, guys. Let's see what happened here on the news side of things. So basically, we got CAD, CPI coming out quite lower. All right. And then USD building permits. I told you I've never really been a fan of that. It's nothing too crazy. When you really know what it is, it's literally nothing. So I don't see why, for example, that would always affect US or gold or anything like that majorly. It's nothing too much. But then, yeah, for the rest of the session, we've got some clear air to trade into. So let's just see what's going on here. DXY, we are bullish. We've had quite a bullish day, trading up to these highs over here, where now we've seen a bit of volume come in and rejection. So we're just going to see what happens there. On the 4-hour trading app, had a bit of a pullback, but again, we said this key level is our area of interest here. So as long as we're trading above this, I can easily remain bullish. So even though if we have a pullback, as long as we have a pullback and we stay in above here, I'm very happy to still be looking for those longs. So we'll just keep an eye out for that one. Then over to gold, we are bearish. I said to the guys this morning, same thing. We obviously traded off right at 2146 level of support. The only thing I didn't like is that we still to come back to retest this, and we've been holding out around this zone, purely because, as I said to the guys, we see Asia lows, this thing wants to go trade towards. But as we stepping slowly, we hitting daily pivots with all that volume, testing supports, then all the way back up to the next level, just footage of Asia lows, now holding that. So while dollars having this bit of a pullback, we see in this kind of working here. So we just want to keep an eye out on what's happening here. But I definitely think if we start getting into the Asia range, we can look for those longs. Otherwise, before that, I'll still be looking if we start breaking underneath for those sells to carry on to the downside. So we'll just keep an eye out for that to see what we can do over there. Sure, brother. All right, guys, I'm going to get some light here again.
Into the light.
Oh, so you just put it on there, brother. Hey, there we are, guys. You can see I'm still white. Didn't change nationalities there. But alright, going over to, as I said, gold, we just ran through. So Nas we are still bearish as well. So having a nice pullback, hold on the support, now trading back down. On the 4-hour, we can see this over here, trading all the way back up. But again, having that failure, trade below, retest, and still melting off very, very nicely. So we know in the 30-minute time frame over here, we definitely can see those pullbacks, that support holding out for us again. So either taking it off Asia lows, or when we start getting a break below that area is where I'm going to start personally looking for those sells on NAS. So we'll keep an eye out for that one. And then US 30, this is also the other one we just want to look at over here. So on the daily, we are still bearish, even though we broke back above the pivot, failing by that support over there. And on the 4-hour, you'll see the same thing. Big push to the top side, failing with the closure below, and since then rejection, hold this pivot, and then broke underneath, and now going to see that continuation and step to the downside. So again, very, very much bearish for me. Just a matter of time. We want to see what volume we can bring in here in New York session. Again, going over to it, guys, if we have to look here on these time frames, you'll see funny enough, lately it honestly looks like London sessions have been bringing all the volume. I mean, even if we do this here, we can bring up the sessions for you. Asia, big move. London, big move. New York, consolidating. Asia, big move. This pullback. If this is going to be a trending day, then now we want to see that big extension again. So we're going to keep an eye out for that one over here. But let's see what we can get. But other than that, guys, I think that is pretty much it from my side. Jeff, what you looking at, brother?
So from my side, DXY, I'm actually bearish on it for the day. So remember earlier this week, even up until last week, we see that this unswept Asian high over here. I want to keep an eye on this level. As you can see, we did have that break above, and price did trade back below that level. So it has been swept. So very interesting on the 4-hour, our weekly R1 our weekly R2 is all the way up here where we rejected. As you can see on the daily, we also have the daily R3 at this level where price rejected. Just to scroll back over here in time, March opened slightly above this level. Here we have a nice little breaker block. So either one of two things, like I told my members, we just want to keep an eye on this high over here. If price doesn't respect our pattern over here, basically, if we don't have some sort of tap in and drop, then the next zone we'll look out for will be these highs over here, slightly below this little low over here. This was a high of the week back in Feb. So price never came back to that level, so it's still the zone I'm looking out for, but currently just keeping an eye on this over here. So I'm expecting price to reverse. So to go to the 5 minute, 3 minute, you guys can see that we have our change of character. We have our nice liquidity buildup. So there's all that trend line action over there. And we'll see over here, here's our fair value gaps lining up with that pivot and slightly below the weekly pivot. So once DXY comes back into this level, I will start looking for a reversal to the downside on it. So very simple, trade up until the pivot and then drop. Then looking at EU, so this morning we also had the zone marked out. This demand zone. As you can see, price pinned slightly below that level, but we did have that change of character take place over here internally. And very similar like on DXY, we have that trend line liquidity lining up over here. And then we also have the slight little gap below this level. So I wouldn't be surprised if price potentially comes to this little gap to fill this and then only rise. So we'll just keep an eye on this level over here as well. Then on GU, kind of mad at myself, so I took a little buy at this level. I'd only backed 1%, but it's still okay, because now looking at structure, I want price to trade back towards this level because we have our internal change of character, as you can see right over here. So then as you can see also, here's our fair value gaps. So actually we can mark out this demand zone. So if price comes back into this level, I want to see some sort of bullish momentum come in from here, and if you put our fib on here, you would see that this lines up more or less with our extreme zones. As you can see, the 786 and 080 and the 88%, that little box price is trapped in this. So we want to see a price does once we get into those levels. And then on USD yen, very hard to say because we have extended fully throughout the daily R1 to R5, currently trading above it. And we can see over here as well, this is an unswept high as well, which price has left over here. As you can see, this is an Asian high, price has swept it. Now this is also a supply zone which price has left. Now if we zoom in over here a bit, you can see there's a gap and there's a high. Now this can potentially seen as buy side liquidity. As long as price doesn't break above it, I might potentially look for a short. Now internally, want to see price do something like this, since that's our higher high, here's our lower low. This is where price changed character, and also very similar, you would see that price left us with this little fair value gap over here. So in a case like this, I'm actually going to mark it out a bit bigger. So those three doji candles. So if we can get into the zone, potentially get a sell, we can get it. But only thing is here is we have no other confluence. So we also have the zone slightly above it. So even if we have something like this potentially happen, won't rush into it. So even if we have something like that, we might potentially sell it. But UJ, we'll keep an eye on it. GJ, I haven't looked at this pair yet today. I think Keeks, you can maybe share so long your screen. Once I'm done with my other analysis, I can continue.
On the app here, brother. So yeah, still 15 minutes till market open, guys. We are ready to go here. DXY looking to get some strength back, so we're gonna keep an eye out on that. But again, big one. I think we might get something nice on gold yesterday if she can play along for us. Gold, I definitely think we could get something here on the table today. Alright. Not gonna, again, we've got a big week of news, but keep in mind we do have FOMC tomorrow, guys. So markets, as you were talking about this morning, actually already quite extended for the day. So we'll just have to see what else can come out later. If markets still are going to give us pretty much anything, or if they're going to start slowing down now for FMC. Yeah, guys, while I'm just trying to just look for some clear zones. I want to just break it for us.
Okay, I think I'm ready to show my Nasdaq and USD.
Cool, there you go.
Okay, so on Nasdaq, USD, first things first. Now, long term, obviously we are bullish on Nasdaq, and this low over here is still our strong low, and price hasn't taken it out as yet. Just want you guys to take note of this over here on the 4 hour. Notice this little gap over here. So if we go to the 50-minute chart, you would see, sorry, this is not supposed to be, it's supposed to be, so Asian highs have been swept. Look at this wick, that's liquidity sitting for over there, so I do expect price to go ahead, like it back to those levels, so we can potentially get into a potential long. Now here is the weekly open, daily is 1, and then also here is that little gap which has still not been filled. So I'm actually going to make a small line over here. So once we can have price tap into the zone, give us a change of character, then we might potentially look for some sort of reversal towards the upside. So we'll just keep this marked out. And then on USD, also we discussed this over here, the sell side liquidity is taken out, and then tap into this demand zone. As you can see, unfortunately we did miss this, didn't check this out, but then price basically made a new change of character, so over here. So with that said, price is now bullish, and also Asian eyes unswept. Now I want to see USD trade down a bit more, sweeping this low of the day before looking to go long. So obviously when price starts hitting down here on like the 1 minute, we will start looking for our change of character to get into this position to potentially go long. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hey. So we're just watching, as I said, guys, waiting for markets to open. Gold trying to take back these highs, get a bullish momentum again. Gold literally fighting around here today, pivot. Also this 200, so definitely something we want to just take note of over here. Here's the keys. What's up, Slash?
What's up, Slashy? I don't think. Okay, I'm gonna say that.
What now?
No, I wanted to make a dirty joke.
Oh yeah, that Jeff.
No, it's just what Vince said now. His last comment. I want to say you can't get it back.
I'm staying out of this, guys. I'm innocent in this.
Obviously a joke, Vince.
Trying to log into C-Trade is harder than flu don't. Bro, this is my argument I was having last time, Gash. You could have watched me a week ago. I was fighting for my life with C-Trader. C-Trader teaches you patience. What about you chilling? How's the afternoon been so for the gents? Chill, brother. We were just doing some content earlier, but that's pretty much about it. Asian, just got mine, but damn, it's a struggle. Do you like C-Trader more than MT5? No, I don't. No, definitely not more than MT5.
Oh, okay. Now I see what you mean, Vince. Okay. Oh, CR. Nice, man. Welcome. I would recommend, Vince, if you want a true V-back, maybe upload a nice little beautiful picture of yourself. Then everyone will know who Vince is. Represent when you get into the chat.
Oh, yeah. Where's... Oh, welcome, baby. Keys, may I ask why you don't like C-Trader? It's just overcomplicated, bro. Nothing more than that, like nothing hectic. Like it does work, all that. It's overcomplicated. Yeah, that's literally the only reason I don't like it. DXY fighting, yeah, 5 minutes till market open, baby. Then we can see what we can get you. I wanted to try it, but to be honest, the dark theme is the only thing that attracted me. Yeah, as much as it can look cool, otherwise, I mean, nothing else is like special about it. Like, my thing is, so you have so many, again, like I talked about being overcomplicated. You got things like the sentiments there. Like, cool, it's there, but I can tell you 90% of you guys don't even look at that. So what's the point? Like, there's just, I always say to guys, it's the thing of Android and Apple. Like, Android's got all these features which they will brag that makes them better than Apple. But guys don't use 90% of those features. They don't even know they have it. So what's the point? Now that's C-Trader. Like, it's just, there's so much extra that you don't need, which clutters everything. Keys, do you think I should use the mobile app or the web? Bro, the web terminal, that's another beast. That thing took me like a whole day just to understand what the hell was going on. So I'd definitely say start off with the app. Does Vault Funder have option to use CTrader? No. They've just got MetaTrader. They will be bringing other options on in the future, but I mean MetaTrader is the best though. Remember all these.
I've always had this thing where if a broker doesn't have MetaTrader, I never trusted them.
Yeah, so keep in mind, like, thing is, everyone's only moving away from MetaTrader now because MetaTrader chalked them, not because they wanted to move away from MetaTrader. I promise you, you don't want to use CTrader. MetaTrader fine with me. Oh yeah, MetaTrader is your best option. Yo, USD already climbing here. Nas nearly back in the Asia range. Gold at that daily pivot. And DXY just chilling out. Oh, yeah, it looks like gold's starting to give a bit. Oh, check USD here. Yes, USD is just going already. Market hasn't even opened yet. Look at that. USD just left the building. I bought USD at 38,762. Beautiful, bro. There goes gold. And markets are open, guys. Ding ding, round 2, fight. Oh, USD taking some shots there on the open. Let's see, come on DXY. Thing is, nothing's gonna happen while DXY is just chilling like this now. Nothing is going to happen. DXY needs to like come to life again. Oh, there we go. Nas USD taking the shots. Yeah, did you have all this movement? Nothing happening on your charts?
Nope. Nothing for me. It went the way I want to execute on, but nothing for me to actually execute on.
Damn. And now DXY halting again. Yes, as these markets don't know what they want to do. Yo, seems taking a nosedive in 80 though.
Keep the shit balanced, yeah.
So Nas still. Okay, so they're all going bearish. After that gold trade this morning, I'm pretty good and chilling. Hey, Slasher, I think that thing was a banger, bro. Oh, that thing was naughty this morning.
This is for all the DJs that unite. To all the underground people in the house. This is for the DJ world. This is for all the house kids. The lovely soul children. Put your hands up. It's that vibe. It's a pleasant thing.
Hey, let's say wait for the breaks, guys, but also that 15-minute shuffle.
God has given us a spirit of power and love. It belongs to all of us. It's a musical thing.
And there, Chev's going, guys.
It's that vibe thing.
Going where?
Man, it's forever. Coke and Red Bull.
We told the chat 7k and they will change my life.
I think you're in trouble, bro. We're getting there.
No, the chat must subscribe. Sam must subscribe. That's why I'm enjoying it while I can. So the faster the chat subscribes, the faster this stops.
Hey, we're gonna see this man drinking his Red Bull and Coke off stream.
Okay, I must say one thing, Kiyosh. I don't like Monster. I don't know. I hate Monster.
But you like Red Bull.
Like Red Bull, What's another good one? I'm not that making that much of a score guy. That's the only energy drink I drink. It's Red Bull.
Wow. Okay.
Also Switch, not really my thing.
It's a vibe thing.
Okay, now you guys are just tempting me to be more unhealthy. I'll go buy all of those off the stream. Yeah, and the slash, yo, that was amazing, bro. Dragon fruit is, bro, probably, it has a very weird taste. Because it's not like sweet. It's not like bitter either. It's just, oh, the experience of a dragon fruit is amazing.
Experience.
This is for all the DJs that unite.
Nah, guys, I only drink my boy Lewis's Monster. That thing, oof, I love it. The new one as well.
Which one's that?
That's good. Lewis Hamilton's one.
All the house kids.
Who's Lewis Hamilton?
Jeff, you did not just ask me that.
I'm just joking, I know it is.
You did not just ask me that.
Put your hands up. The physical battle.
Feels like Keeks is always the designated driver. If I'm not drinking, yeah. I mean, you can't drink and drive, kids. That's not safe. Hey, maybe Goal's gonna wait here for us. What's Naz doing? Yo, Naz right back down. USD right back up. Yeah, what did I say? These markets, bro. Hi all, hope everyone's well. What's up, Monkey?
Your spirit thing. God's power thing.
Yeah, I thought for a second I clicked on gold and gold just tanked like this. I was like, what the hell just happened? I was having like a little cry inside right now.
So the focus trader, that is one thing. I don't drink energy drinks for energy because I don't believe in that placebo it creates. I purely drink it because it's nice. In fact, the blue flavor of Red Bull, if you have that, but first have the paddle pop orange flavor, have the paddle pop ice cream, then drink the blue one. Bro, if Red Bull implements the paddle pop orange with that, I would buy it every day. The flavor just hits.
Bio Plus. Tuneberry is the blue one.
Yeah, the Juneberry.
Haven't been here for a while. Why the name change? Shaq, I don't know firstly which one you're talking about. You're talking about the channel name change or the session name change? If I had a whole can of Red Bull, I'd probably fly, not going lie. Tell trader, what's up? Yo, come on, girl, don't do this now. Don't do yes, sis. Wow, why you gotta run now, girls? Slashy, that's one thing. I don't think Jay will be able to do that.
What's his record? What's the percentage record?
My only thing is, like, other than doing that, bro, you don't eat a lot on a good day. I don't think you can do liquids either.
That is true, though. That is true. I'm what they call a lightweight.
Yeah, Cosmic, I don't know if that support's gonna hold, bro. His record is 9, you need 10.
Wait, like downing it?
Yeah, down in.
Wait, bro, what's 9? I'm pretty sure I can do 9. I'm pretty sure I can do 10.
Jeff. Bro.
I'm pretty sure I can do 10.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Now, content idea. And then, is there a time limit as to how fast you
You
must
have to
down
do
it?
it back to back.
How many minutes?
Like, just straight there and then. If you stop, that's done.
Okay. Now that's easy.
Bro, this thing is running again without me. Oh my, look.
Guys, obviously I'm saying this, but I would never do it. I would never do that. I know energy use is not healthy. This is why also I don't drink Red Bull every single day. I do take breaks. I'm a responsible addict.
His record is 2 minutes 37 seconds. So you have to do it in under 3 minutes.
Okay, nah, that's just unnecessary pressure.
Oh, Jeff, now it's not easy. Now it's not easy.
I thought if they said like 5 minutes, yeah, then but 3 minutes is
back, bro.
but 3 minutes is pretty hectic.
Would be cool if Vault funders started doing those trading competitions like the funded trader, etc. Is that something you guys have planned for the future? I don't see the point in it for now, bro. Definitely will do stuff in the future, but right now I don't see the point in it. Remember, guys, it is still a relatively new business, so it's not like you can't expect it to be doing everything that other businesses do. And again, when a business is there, you don't always meet the what every single person wants the company to do. So you do what is more like most popular and is going to appeal to most people. Let's see, yeah, the gold is literally just running. Don't you get copyright strikes on this music? Yeah, we do, brother. That we do. I think we're asking me thing to do with other traders from SA, just some friendly competition, and also giving people the opportunity to see how they will do on an evaluation account. Eugene, we're not doing it now, brother, so it's not going to happen. End of the day, my thing is, it's all fun and games, but we'll do actual competitions with actual accounts where guys can trade against each other.
But so far the guys will be called out for challenges. They say all these things in the videos that are the best traders, but then when we call them out for a challenge, then they can't take the challenge.
Yeah, I don't see a point in, like, as a community, just trading for fun on demo accounts against each other, because demo doesn't mean anything. And again, most of the time that's just because guys want to try, win, or do well that they can get a free account. Like I said, we'll do proper things where the guys can trade against each other. But again, irrelevant, not happening now or anytime soon. Let's play some Tomorrowland 2022-2023 remix mashup sometime. Yeah, I'll see about it, bro. Brew, what gym class workout song is this? Full port, everything on demo. Yeah, demo is not going to teach you anything. I agree. If you're scared to be caught out to a trading challenge, then it's pointless and feel like he's vice, yeah. Jix, what's up, brother? I'm sure you caught something on Naz today. I have meetings 3 p.m. now, lol, so I can only join now. Oh, good, bro. Keys, what you looking at Naz, please, bud? I was bearish, bro, so my thing was either getting back in the Asia range, rejecting. So technically I would have been this move, yeah, but I never even got a retest, so I never would have even been in this move. So yeah, I would have missed this. But I am bearish, bro. So if anything, I'll look for a sell under the support here at the bottom.
So I just to do something real quick for Chris them.
No, it's chilled. The 9 to 5 challenge. Winner and runner app received 2 more 1 mil accounts and something similar to 5.30 to eventually, after first, second payout, be able to quit their job to full-time trade. Guys, it's not happening. Like, you guys are already coming up with your own, like, things. Then, I mean, you guys can go fund them and happily do them yourselves. Keys, your gold you spoke about this morning is moving. Yeah, nah, it's being good, bro. Now we own some proper bangers though. The very short route, it doesn't work like that. I don't think you can just become a full-time day trader after 2 payouts. Yeah, you're looking for trouble then when that happens. Daily drops matters a lot more accuracy. Acumen for a half nation in profits. Hey, there we go, brother. The vibes and the profits. Alright guys, if you haven't already, please just drop a sub and a like. Just helps the channel grow. New York numbers are definitely starting to pick up again. And also, yeah, 6.4. We are now on the road to 10k. So things are looking up, baby. Depends on your situation, I guess. Slashy, nah, bro. Definitely, you're not going full time after 2 payouts. Anyone that's gone full time will tell you that. If you could go full time after 2 payouts, I'd be living lavish by now. Yeah, Edgar's a pro. There's another one he'll tell you. It doesn't work like that. If your mom and daddy money is still, and they're still looking after you, then maybe if you have no expenses, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to take this over here though, guys, on this break. It's just so extended for me now. And DXY also going bearish, so I don't like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on your screen quickly. I think go pee.
Yeah, from my side, chat, I'm just busy sorting something out as well. I'm so dumb, I can't even use Twitter. I'm looking for something, but there's nothing yet that confirms anything for me. So I can't force anything just yet. Nasdaq, and I really want to trade USD and Nasdaq, but there's nothing for me. So we have this reaction that I see this fair value gap, but no change of character, so I can't take it. Also waiting for Swiss franc yen, nothing yet. Shit, man, that's just so difficult.
Alright, yeah, as I said, I don't want to take that continuation. DXY literally not doing anything, so I can't really trust that. Don in drawdown. What did Don do? Did he buy gold? Yeah, like we spoke about it earlier. I said I do think the markets were quite extended, so I do think they would have a little bit of consolidation now for tomorrow. But 6 months of consistency, then maybe
Which account here is yours?
Boiler room numb. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
It's up to here, bro, but your cousin will get better, bro, unless he runs out of money. Wait, what? For example of that, man saved up his money, he started last year, left his job, and now trying to make ends meet to maintain. Yeah, that is it's really what happens though, guys. What's happening now? What is that, fake account?
No, so I feel like an idiot. I don't know how to use Twitter. I can't even tag someone. But now, are you on Twitter?
I am, but I literally don't do anything on it.
What's your handle? Keegan van Dijk.
I'm guessing. Like I say, I have it, but I'd never use it.
Okay, now I got you there. Who else can I think of?
Yeah, actually, what was the last thing I posted on here? Yeah, that was still when I was doing stuff for them. Yeah, that's literally it. No, that's actually quite funny. Don took a buy at 21.58. 21.58. Holy crap, Don! What the hell were you thinking? Hopefully, we'll see 21.40 today. Yeah, you could. We just need to get past at 21.46. I would go full time if you have 1 year's worth of expenses saved up and a proven track record of success in the market, 6 to 12 months profitable, then sure, give it a bash. Yeah, no, that's the right way to think about it, Edgar. Keys, you don't think Nas bullish with Nvidia news? Nah, not really, bro. Ideally, the year's worth of expenses should have been made through trading. Yeah, remember, Nas went through all-time highs after good Nvidia news. But yeah, Jakes, that's my whole thing. It's already had that type of shot because of Nvidia. Now you wanted to do a similar thing because of the same reason. Does that make sense? So remember, markets are always learning. The whole thing with news, they price things in. If something doesn't happen for the first time, markets won't be prepared for that. Once it happens the next time, markets are already prepared for that now. So when you're looking at this now, I don't see that really changing much here now. Like, it could bring some volume. Don't get me wrong on that, but I'm just saying, I don't see, for example, like this is things going to take it all the way back to all-time highs again. Using minus $21K at the moment, Ash. Man, man's going to lose that win streak today. I think he's just going down. He's going to lose that win streak today. Or he's going to walk away and leave the bloody thing open for like another 2 days. But I think that's brave, doing that going into FOMC tomorrow. And then gonna take him 5 trades to make it back to, yeah, that's the thing, bro. It's that whole thing of going on win rate, but when he takes a loss that wipes out like a whole week, 2 weeks of wins, I just don't back that. checking something, yeah. Do you think NAS is valid for put? For put?
I think it's a sell.
Well, I'm bearish on it. I know Jax has gone long, so 17,873, 17,873. Well, best of luck, Jax. Hope that works out for you, brother. Anyone know why he is living in Wick's basement? Whose basement? Wait, who are we talking about? Our boys made my money for the day. Squads are calling me now. Oh, best of luck, brother.
Oh, good, Ed.
Don. I don't. Nah, not too sure. Last year at his own place, so I don't know where that's happened now. Something happened and he didn't stream for like 4 days or so, and the next we see is him in Rick's basement, and he said he will explain at a later time. Damn, is that like a real thing? Hold on, I want to go check this out here quickly. Yeah, well, I mean, I can't see anything. If I look at his thing, like, I just see, like, normal, like him. So, I don't know how that, if his Wick's basement, I don't know. I'm not too sure. But I say that's just me. I'm not saying he isn't, but yeah, Don bought again. Oh my word. I didn't even see that. I was too focused on looking at the room. Does it could never follow negative RR traders, bro? Yeah, that's looking for pain, eh? That is looking for pain. My boy Don is a stick man strategy out here. Oh yeah, the 100 pip stop loss for 5 pip TP. Yeah, the Jeff, you've been quiet there, bro. Nothing for you so far.
Nothing yet. Still waiting. Market is very slow.
Yo, but I don't know, bro. Even mentally, I don't know how Don can sit through that, eh? Like, I would break. Like, I would. I can't sit through that type of pain. USD sells in a premium. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I have no clue what that means when you guys will say it's in a premium and a discount. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be they're just using a smarter word for supply and demand, and that's again a smarter word for support and resistance. But yeah, gold been good to me today. Dirty 30 long at break even, 75% taken off. Being great day with the 2Gs, more fire. There we go. That's it, bro. Oh, but Jeff, don't you trade premium and discount, eh?
Yeah, but you can't just say in a premium to sell. There must be confluence, because then you can take the whole, like let's say range, above 50%. All of that is premium, but then what are you basing it off?
That's always my thing. I understand it, but like for me, I don't get the idea in why it's, like you said, it's not an entry criteria.
Wait, sorry, say it again.
No, I was just saying, like you said there now, like I understand the idea behind your premium and discounts and all that stuff, but like it's not an entry criteria.
Yeah,
you still need more stuff to go with it.
It's one thing, for instance, where you can tell yourself it isn't a premium, so you can look for sales, but then you must still wait for your like for instance, how I use it, I would, before I want to go long or short, I'll ask myself if I'm at discount or premium. That's all I ask myself. Once I've confirmed which zone I'm in, premium or discount, then it's now a matter of confluence, supply and demand, institutional level pivot, change of character, fair value gap, all those other things.
Nope.
Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. I want to see GU come down, EU come down. I want to see DXY go up. Sorry?
Let's see EU. I'm joking. I wish.
Sniper entry.
I wish.
Oh, Jax. You should be break even now, brother. Or tapped out even. Were you break even already, or was that just literally back at entry? No, of course I'm waiting for a change to the downside, but now just looking for a sell. Tapped out of break even, yeah. Okay, awesome, bro. Yo, DXY taking a little dump over there now.
Do you have to call this number?
But I still think it can flip this daily candle. My only thing, bro, is so for me, if you want the whole daily candle to still flip bullish, like that's a big move. And my thing is, what are you going off that you think this will flip bullish? That's my first thing. Because if you're looking at it that way, like that's clearly bearish momentum. Weekly bearish momentum. So, and when you look on the weekly, you've got almost no bottom wick. So this thing is still going to go further down. Because at this point, you're almost just at the weekly open. So the whole of yesterday and today was making that top wick and then just being trading right back down. FOMC and stock fundamentals, but I do see the latest sells are on the table. So Jakes, that's my first thing, bro. So FOMC, I think you're the only person I've spoken to that thinks FOMC is going to be dollar weakness. Because that obviously is what you need for this thing to go up. And stock fundamentals, again, you running off of Nvidia, and Nvidia is all this been priced in. With you on that, Jex, Nvidia also been taking hits today, which hasn't helped the bulls on NAS either. Like I say, guys, Nvidia has been making a few statements, but hasn't done anything to NAS today. I said it's been priced in. So, yeah. Like, you guys know, like, I'm spending my time on fundamentals. That's like my main priority now. And it's been paying off. Fabio is the only one who insists on a fundamental CPI NFP signal, but then doesn't take it. Timothy Testong, what's up? What are we looking at the Feds to say tomorrow? I'm not breaking that one down, brother. We can maybe talk about it tomorrow, but I'm not getting into that now. Can you give me a crash course, Keeks, please? Bro, you had a nice crash course in the project. And I'm sure they also still, you guys have got your own crash course going there in the WhatsApp group. Chingles, afternoon guys, only joined now. How's it, man? What are you guys looking at on gold and USD? Basically the moves are played out, bro. One of the gold sells, we couldn't get on that, and USD, I said to the guys, that thing ran before market even opened, so we missed that. I'm gonna have to go fundamentally with keys on the dollar there. Like guys, my whole thing was, it's the same I said to you with gold, and we said it with NAS, and we said it with all these things. You can't be doing something because yes, the trend is your friend, but now the same thing is everyone wants to sell NAS when it was at the highs. Okay, everyone wanted to sell, yeah, and you were still getting clapped, selling, trying to sell, trying to sell. They're still getting clapped over here because the thing is there's no reason to sell yet. Now after this, you've now had a reason to sell. From here, you've had a reason to sell. Over there, you've had a reason to sell. That's a Monday, we know why this happens. Today, you had a reason to sell. So it's the same thing fundamentally. Can any of you give me one reason why fundamentally you would have a reason to be bearish on the dollar tomorrow? The boys struggle there in our WhatsApp group keys. They predict sells on gold, but then it is bullish. I need your crash course to uplift the boys. So there's no more sell opportunities today for NAS. Bro, if this thing does break now, it can. Definitely it still can, but I don't think so. Because I do think markets are going to slow down ahead of FOMC for tomorrow. So even if it breaks, it could get to a point like this. So it could still break and run like that, but then literally just be doing this the whole time and not really doing anything at the end of the day. So, and that's something I don't want to be part of.
Accumulating those orders for tomorrow.
Yeah,
Accumulating those orders.
but it's just you giving gold sells there.
Run outside quickly.
Jeff, are you gonna be a while? Okay. For instance, Fabio on big news events, the man is restless. Yeah, but I don't get it. Restless, but then doesn't take the advice, doesn't take the signal, doesn't. So I don't get it. They don't listen to me when I say buy the boss sell. Trading news gives me PTSD. Too many owls and blown accounts to do that. All about growing confidence slowly. So okay, hold on. Like, I'm not trying to attack you, bro. I don't mean it to sound like that. But so my thing is, if you have so much PTSD about trading news and you're not about doing that, or really growing your confidence slowly, then why are you so focused on news? Because even I've said it, and even the other guys in the chat say it. So if that is the case, then why do you have such a focus on it? Like, you so always want to know what it's about, what's going on, what the outlook for the news is tomorrow. Chalk Ruby's account with the gold sells. Boys. Jeff, how do I not become liquidity tomorrow?
First thing is to spot it or become liquidity. Second thing is simply wait. Like Keegan says, we can trade, we can still make profit after the news. But it's a very broad question. What exactly are you referring to? FOMC.
Yeah, I'm guessing FOMC.
I would say making money in the morning, afternoon, and then just potentially just monitor it.
No Slashy, I told Ruby to buy. Slashy gets so emotional when news comes out flat. FOMC. Nah, I'm joking, brother. Yeah, guys, honestly, nothing on the markets for me. I focus on news to trade after news and see where market is going. It's not solely directed to trading here, but affects stocks and share prices where I focus more of my attention. Okay. I'm not actually going to answer that one. I know Slashy lol. Jeff, so nothing on the table for you today, brother?
From my side, nah. Market's just choppy.
Yeah. Guys, I think we're going to call it there now at past. It's, as I said, honestly, market's nothing. We had the gold sells, but that ran away before we could get in. And as you can see, perfect example why I don't want to take that there. That is, again, I don't want to be in that. Nas had the run, but again, never got my retest. So, couldn't have taken that. US 30 ran away before markets even opened. Yes, you got the retest, but again, that is literally all in one candle, so no confirmation just to jump in on that. So yeah, literally nothing for me. Obviously, just gonna have to wait to see what FOMC brings tomorrow. But other than that, guys, even though sits back laughing at us when we trade news, we have Google meetings during news. Oh my word, guys. Thanks, guys. Lol Peach Nation. I'm done for there myself. 8 late this morning. Best advice I've ever received was to stop trading news. Stop loss at entry before news and let news play out. Blew an account or two because I hedged news. Rather play it safe, guys. Capital is king. Alex, that is spot on, bro. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for the session, guys. I'm going to sit here and be in drawdown like my boy Donvo at the moment. We're going to play it safe. We had 2 banger trades today, so rather walk away with your pockets full. But other than that, moving forward, it is myself and Jev on stream tomorrow. Jev might be a little bit late if he's got some clients in the morning, but he will be with me, and I'll be piloting London session. Chris is on the road tomorrow, so we'll be taking over for the rest of the week. But we'll see you guys tomorrow then for London and for New York, so have a nice little double dose there, and we can talk a little bit about FOMC. We're not going to make it all about it, but we'll talk a little bit about it for you guys. But otherwise, stay safe, be safe, don't be greedy, guys. Again, we had 2 beautiful trades, so no need to try to force something if it's not there today. And we will see you guys on the flip side. Peace and love, baby. See you guys tomorrow.
Check it.
When the stars